Assalamualaikum, good morning. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. Student, it's our science lecture, and today we will discuss about the plants. As you know that plants are living things like us. They need food, water, and air to grow. Plants also need light. They use light to make food. As you know that a plant has different parts. Here are different parts are given below, and we will discuss it in a detail. First part is roots. Roots hold the plant in place. Roots take water from the soil and send to the stem. Next one is stem. A stem bears leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem carries water and food from one part of the plant to another. Next one is leaves. Most plants have leaves. Plants make their food in leaves. Leaves are different in size and shape. Next part is flowers and fruits. Many plants bear beautiful flowers. Flowers may change into fruits. Fruit contain seeds.